Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. Here, this the algo is ready now, and that is a great news for my viewers because the mostly people are demanding, and that in the previous algo there was some errors, so I removed the errors and now the algo is ready. It will automatically will give you the like let me show you this one. There is some lot of confusion, but all the trades are successful. Like here the stop loss is hit. Okay, and let me show you the strategy tester, and you can see percentage profitable 89%. Okay, and in the previous video I will show you the previous algo, and then that one is the updated version. Okay, I will show you. I have to show you the previous indicator, and then we need to talk about this indicator, how it's work, and how you can get this algo, and how you can use this, and how you can add this algo in your trading view chart, and how you can add alerts in. Just create alert and you can create the alert. Okay, so first of all we have need to watch the previous one, and these are my point script. Here the algo, this is the most recent one. The previous algo, this one, and you have need to copy the code, control A control C, copy my code, then go to the Pine editor. Here you will find the option Pine editor. Okay, this one Pine editor, and this is the most recent one. You have need to select all. First of all you have need to remove your all the code, whatever the code. Here you have need to remove them. Control A, remove it. Control V, paste my code. Okay, and then click here add to chart. This is the previous indicator. Okay, oh no, this one is the most recent one. I have need to add previous one. Okay, let me show you. And simple hoga algo, and not this one. Control A control C, this is one is the previous one. Okay, that's fine. Actually there is I okay, this one is the previous one. Okay, okay, that one is the previous one. And you can see there was the maximum drawdown 0.06 drawdown, each and everything. Here you can see. Oh wait, let me show you the this indicator in this video so you can understand better. Okay, first we have need to remove them, and then I have to show you the what are the updates here. I have need to remove it, then I have need to add this previous algo, and I just want to show you the difference in the previous one and the latest one. Okay, now this one is the previous one, and this is the updated one, algo X. I name it, and the previous one is just simple hoga algo. Okay, the so first of all here you can see the 96% strategy, but and here in this strategy you get 89%. Okay, but there is more efficiency. You can say the maximum download 0.07%. Okay, but in the updated version maximum download 1503 dollars. Okay, 0.515%. Okay, and the profit a trade is this one, and you can see this 6.60. So and it's and this algo is not calculated, calculation was wrong in this algo. So I update this algo, and it's give you the better and more accurate results, and it will give you the accurate result. List of trades. Here you can see maximum drawdown is 0.06%, and the profit you got 772%. Here you can see the list of trades. Okay, and you can see, okay, here you can see the list of trades. This is the lost trade, and I have need to show you how this work. Actually here you can see, let me show you something very clear. I'm now talking about the latest updated algo. Okay, this was the previous one, and we have no concern on this one. Now we have need to concern on this one. Okay, and this is the previous one, and we do not have need to concern on it because there are a lot of errors and some confusion. So here you can see the buy trade, and this was the stop loss, and in this trade your stop loss is hit. But I will recommend whenever you go to the buy trade, do not need to put stop loss. Okay, do not need to put, just exit your trade at this point and need to go for the sell trade. Okay, and you can book your profit, first profit, and you can book your second profit, and you can book your third profit. Third, it will give you the three take profit. The and the previous algo was giving you only two take profit, but this algo gave you three take profit. First one take profit, the second one, and the third one. And now this is the buy or long trade. First take profit is done, and second take profit is done, but that after your third take profit is not done. But you got the sell trade. Your stop loss is there, and you can see only the you can see your first take profit is not done. Okay, you got the buy trade. Okay, so that's mean you are getting the buy sell trade, and you got some good profit. Not actually a very good profit, it's very small profit, but the point is you are getting some good profit. Okay, you are not in loss. Okay, here you can see it's not a very big trade, but it give you a few cent maybe profit, or maybe few dollars, just few dollars. Okay, and this one also give you a few dollars profit, and this one give you now it is giving you some good profit. Like when you got the entry, the entry point was 61,561, and now your trade is 62,016. Okay, it's actually around $500 movement. Okay, okay, around $500 moment, and that is a very big achievement. Okay, here you can see, like here you got the sell trade 61,902. Okay, and you got the profit around 61,559. So actually it's a very good like this one buy trade, it gave you some awesome profit. You got the trade when the price was 60,900, and you got the profit when the 61,881. Okay, it's actually a very big movement. Okay, here you can see the sell trade, and it's give you some awesome profit. Like when you got the trade, the price was around 62,000, and 62,000 to price goes to 60,600. It's around $1,500 movement, and it's a very good or you can say it's amazing. So I have to show you some results in forex market, and results on, and let me show you results in euro USD. In the euro USD, there are a lot of signals actually here. Okay, you can see here you got the sell trades, and it's give you the buy trade, and the again sell trade, and buy trade, and sell trade. So there is just few cents profit, and then it's give you awesome profit, this give you a small profit, this give you awesome profit, this one gave you some profit, this one, and this one, and this one is give you some few cents profit, it's give you some few cents profit, it's give you few cents, and it give you a very maybe just few seconds cents profit. Okay, but some trades are giving you awesome profit, and some trades are giving you a very small profit. Like this one, small profits is not big profits. Okay, and let's see the strategy tester, and performance overview, and the win ratio is 88.53%. Okay, and your maximum $114, and the profit rate is 19,757. It's actually a very good profit. Okay, let's see the results in gold. In the gold, you can see the accuracy is 89%, and it's a very good achievement, because like sell trade give you some awesome profit. But the problem here, because I'm selling this indicator, so I have need to show you the problems as well. In the crypto pairs, you can see the stop loss here is very big as compared to take profit. Okay, like you can see the in this trade you are not getting profit, but in the sell trade you got profit, in the buy trade you got some good profit, in the sell trade you got maybe few cents, just few cents profit. Okay, and in this trade you get some good profit, and this trade give you profit. All the trades are giving you some trades, maybe it will not give you the profit, maybe this trade will not give you the profit. Okay, but after that the buy trade give you some few cent profit and so on. Okay, sometime big profit and sometime a very small profit, and the point is you are getting some awesome profit. Okay, at the end of the day you have need to book a very big profit, and definitely it will give you all the time profitable. Okay, so you can see the results of my this algo, and if you need my algo, then you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let me show you my contact details, and this is a very big news, because most of the people are waiting for my algo, and the people who already bought my algo, and you have need to text me, and because I have all the data who bought my indicators. Okay, so the people who bought my indicators, you have need to text me from the same number you previously contact me. Okay, I will give you the updated version. Okay, I'll go updated version I will give you. Okay, in free of cost. But if you did not buy my indicators, then you have need to buy it first time. Okay, my WhatsApp number, my Telegram @simple hoga 1, and simple hoga and this is Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com, if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Hopefully you will love my video, and any question, any query you can ask me, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember there are some fake Telegram channel. Okay, and write one at the end must, and there are some fake telegram, you do not need to join fake Telegram channel. This is Gmail, simple gmail.com, if you want to contact me on my Gmail. And one more question, this algo work on all time frame, like you can use this in 1 minute time frame. Okay, and you can use this in this is the most recent buy trade in the gold, but market is off now. And let me show you the results in 3 minute time frame. This is the 3 minute time frame, and here you can see in the 3 minute time frame it's work awesome. Oh my god, in the 3 minute time frame it's the results may be better. Yes, 90% accuracy. Yes, it's good. It's good. Hopefully you will love my video, and any further query you can ask me for the next video. I think bye bye, take care, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel, and any query do not hesitate, just contact me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.